Hello people, hello Africa, hello Cameroon. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing great, right? In today's video, I will be talking about the 2024 Cameroon finance law. I just want to, connect with my Cameroon people and let's look at what has happened or what is happening now in the country. Now, for those of you who don't know, if you're a businessman, an accountant, or a trader, somebody doing some kind of commerce in Cameroon, then this video is for you. Watch it till the end, okay? I just want to break down the changes that has happened. Now, the finance law is something, or it's an official document that is published by the parliament every December. Okay, it's like they take a review of what's been happening to the whole business environment, and then of course they try to make changes that comes into effect as from the 1st of January the next year. So for example, the 2024 finance law was signed on the 19th on the 19th of December 2023 by the president. Like, this law is signed by the president of state, Mr. or President Paul Biya. So he does this, he signs this, and then of course all these changes are now incorporated into the various sectors that it touches. Now, for those of you who don't know, generally the finance law has like three major sectors that is useful for, right? Like, for example, the first sector or the first part of the finance law that is very important that you note is the fact that you can get the Cameroon budget, like the state budget in the finance law, the 2024 state budget. A lot of people are never interested in knowing the state's budget, but I think it's important for you to know that, like, how much revenue is the state planning to make, how much expenses is it planning to make, and how they plan to allocate this the finance. So this is something that citizens have to be interested to know. So if you're in Cameroon and you've never been interested, then you can drop me a comment and I'll send you a copy of the finance law, both in English and French, no matter what you want, and so that you go through that. And then the second sector is the changes to the custom duties, right? Like, import duties and tax, anything that relates to custom. That's another thing that the finance law does. Like, it brings these changes based on what people have been demanding and based on what the parliament has also sat and deliberated upon. Okay, now the third sector is usually the changes to the Cameroon General Tax Code, like the taxes that we pay. Now, this is the sector I'll be focusing on, and a lot of people, if you are just a trader, a businessman, entrepreneur, or an accountant, this is the sector that you probably be very interested in. And if you are also into import and export of some kind of goods or services, and of course the customs duty section of the finance law is also going to be interesting to you. Okay, so this is just like episode 1 of this video series, like the Cameroon 2024 finance law video series. It's just episode 1, and in my subsequent episodes I'll be trashing out each and every single change. Okay, so if you're watching this video, please don't go away, because there will be episode 2, and that's where I'm going to start talking about the various changes that has happened during the last review of the finance law, like the 2024 finance law. Okay, so what I'll do is I'm going to bring to you what the change is as per the law, and then I'll take some time to digest these changes and try to throw more light, to shed more light on the various changes and what the implications are. And of course, if you are following me on this channel, please don't go away. This is just episode 1. We are going to be having episode 2 and right down to, I don't know, but as the video keeps coming on, I'll keep producing. Okay, and that's also going to depend on you guys. If you drop me your comments and tell me that what I'm doing here, you enjoy that. Okay, so let me know if you're waiting for the next episode on this video series. Then I'm going to drop it as soon as possible. Drop me a comment to let me know you're watching, and I will be there for you. Thank you so much for watching, and don't go away without clicking on the subscribe button, and also turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.